Oh my goodness, guys, I am super excited to take you through this incredible luxury home. I am on the Gold Coast in Mermaid Waters, and this home is 4 levels of pure luxury. I can't wait to show you guys inside. So let's go in and take a really good look around. My goodness. Okay, where to begin? Firstly, this door is incredible. It is huge. When you walk in, you just see this incredible void, and you can see the stairs going all the way up. Standing right here, there is the view of the city and the canal, and also the pool. And let's start off, shall we, in the kitchen area. So this is the most incredible space. It is so bright. I mean, this whole section opens right up, so you're getting lots of natural light. And then you've got the kitchen right here, the heart of the home, and what an incredible kitchen it is. What do you guys think? Beautiful bench top. I love the pendants, the stools, absolutely gorgeous. Then across here is your dining area, and you're sitting here with this great void with your beautiful fireplace. I love the stone feature because you can actually see the fireplace from the other side. So here is your living area to chill and relax. And as I said, you've got doors everywhere that are just completely open. Now come across here, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in this section here. So outside, you have the most incredible pool. So it's like a U shape, magnesium pool with your spa. And then in this corner here, so when you wake up in the morning, you have a gym. Now, I'm sorry to say that I'm not a gym person, but honestly, if my gym had a view like this, it would probably motivate me to work out a little bit more. Incredible. And then before we check out the pool, come across here, because after you go to the gym, you come into your bathroom. So you've got a sink here, you have your own sauna, guys. And then you can take a shower through here. How cool is this? I mean, there's a skylight there, so it's nice and bright. There's a separate toilet just in front of me. And then this is great because also when you come out of the pool, you can quickly come in and have a shower. And then your undercover area, so you can use this all year round. Oh, you know what I've just noticed behind the cameraman? I didn't notice that. This is your outdoor shower. I mean, ta-da! I just noticed that now. All right, this house is full of surprises. So here you've got your beautiful pool area. There is a fire pit here. At night time, it would be incredible because you've got the city just across there. This is your alfresco zone, so you're living. You've got another dining section here. This will be fantastic. It's such a beautiful summer's day today. You've got this beautiful breeze. This is where I would be hanging out. Undercover section through there. And this is your pizza barbecue zone. So your pizza oven, your barbecue area, your fridge. Also, I forgot to show you something pretty special. So if you come through here, wait there for a second. Hold on. There is a walk-in pantry, and what a walk-in pantry it is, because look at this size of this. Lots of storage in here. So this is where you do all your preparations. You've got your double sink, you have another cooktop, and then you've got your oven here, and this whole bench space, just wow. Let's keep going, guys. Now, I'll take you back towards the front, the main entry, because we've got a room here and also the laundry. So let's just take a quick look. All right, so in here, there is your office. So this is where they have work meetings, because you basically have like a little bar area there. Incredible. I love also the wallpaper that they've picked. And here is your laundry. Nice size laundry, takes you outside. Now, because this house is 4 levels, they have put a lift here. So the great thing with the lift is you can go all the way up to level 4. Now, before we go there, come and have a look at the guest bedroom, okay? So through here is bedroom number 1. Now this is pretty special because this bedroom, you basically walk through, you have your own kitchen in this bedroom, okay? So microwave, sink, and then you have a private lounge area that takes you out into the pool. And this is where your bed is through here. We'll just take a quick peek because the owner's son lives, this is his bedroom, so I just want to take a quick peek through here. But yeah, that's pretty amazing. And there's one more thing before we go and check out downstairs. This is the powder room. I mean, look at the green. I think this is quartz, gorgeous. And then the toilet is just across here. And before we go, and I might show you guys, so the lift is just around the corner. So this is your mudroom area. So you can come through, the garage is downstairs. So put your shoes in here, love it. The lift is here and there's also a staircase. So let's go and check out the cinema and the wine cellar. So we are in the basement now and this is your private cellar. Come in. I mean, how cool is this? I actually love the floor tiles, but you've got all your wine selection, and you know what would be fantastic is if you take a guest and you're like, come, pick the wine that you want to drink today. I mean, that's pretty special. In front of me down the end is the garage. You can fit 10 cars. Now, I won't take you in just for privacy, but I will show you the cinema. So this is the cinema area. I mean, oh, love it. They've actually picked like a dark navy instead of black and it's gorgeous. So I'm waiting for someone to hand me some popcorn, please. How amazing is this? I love it. All right, now, do you reckon, I think we should take the lift upstairs. Oh, by the way, this area here also has a toilet, so there you go. All right, let's go upstairs. I will see you in level, so we're basement, ground, let's see you in level 1. Well, hello, fancy meeting you here. Okay, so we are on level 1. And when you come upstairs, there is an incredible guest bedroom. Come and check out this room, okay? So this is one of the guest bedrooms. It's got a wraparound veranda, and I'll get you guys to come in. I'm going to start by showing you the bathroom and the walk-in robe, so follow me. So this guest bedroom has its own walk-in robe around the corner. And then this is the main bathroom. So you've got a bathtub, a very generous sized shower, a double sink. And then wait, I am going to go and meet you outside. So this opens right up, woof, into your private balcony. Oh my goodness, it is such a nice sunny day. But look at the view. You've got water views surrounding you. It's pretty incredible. And then let's go back inside, shall we? Oh, by the way, I'll just take a moment and have a look at that view. City views, this at night time would be so beautiful. Come back inside. So, bed is here, but then you have your own little relaxing area with a TV here. So your little lounge. Outside you've got the balcony that wraps around. Then across here, if you feel thirsty, you've got your own little kitchenette. Why not? All right. So I love the design of this because they basically have a floating bridge, really. So you can look at the void and look downstairs into the kitchen area, dining. On the other side is main entry area. Now across here there is another bedroom. You've also got a little study area, but we'll go in this bedroom here. Another guest bedroom. This guest bedroom also has its own private balcony, and then you do have a beautiful bathroom through there, and also a walk-in robe. What do you guys think so far? Oh my goodness. It is so much fun taking you guys through here because the excitement that you hear in my voice is genuine. All right, which way? All right, should we go and have a look at the last floor upstairs? I will meet you at the rooftop. Okay guys, this is the last floor. So we've got the main bedroom here and the rooftop bar. I mean, wow. Can you just imagine, okay, because I can imagine very easily that you are here for Christmas or New Year's. You have city views over there at night time, probably with fireworks because the city is just over that way. And you're making cocktails with friends. There is a dining area here, okay? And then, oof, your entertaining area. Now this is pretty special. The pool is just below us. You got water views everywhere. What do you guys think? I'm gonna finish this tour with a bang because I'm gonna show you now the main bedroom. So follow me, let's go back in. Okay, so the lift is here, staircase lift. Now there is a guest bathroom for that bar area there, so you don't have to go all the way downstairs. Now take your time, guys. Welcome to my bedroom. I wish. So this is the main bedroom. Take it all in. I don't know if it's gonna come out on video how big this is. So you've got your little cozy nook, your bedroom. This is the balcony that wraps around into the bar area. City views, okay? But wait, you wake up in the morning and you're like, honey, can I please have a coffee? So you have a little breakfast nook or little nook, and then your kitchenette, which is fantastic because there's probably a little fridge in here somewhere. So you get up and you're thirsty, you've got water here, little coffee area there, and then come. There's also a balcony on this side. So there's more water views across here. But this is the size of someone's apartment. And let's go in and have a look at the walk-in robe and the bathroom. Walk-in robe. There's a little makeup table just across here. Your bathroom, and you know what I love about this house? Everything is so well thought out because these open up, so you've got all your skincare, your, everything that you need right there. They do have enough storage space. Toilet tucked around the corner, double shower, and then this. This is a custom-made round bathtub with city views. All right, let's meet back towards this way. And that's it, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you thought of this house. I have toured many homes and I have to say this is one of my favorites. Absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions, but thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it and keep a lookout for the next home tour.